Saturday one, so I figured to load it here. This is an acquisition of a Hoover Elite Rewind. This is another one I have. I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 now. So this is a February of 2009 Hoover Elite Rewind. The date's over here for some reason instead of it being over there. But yeah. Let's take a look at the brush. This is a $30 pick. That looks brand new. So this thing's gonna need cleaning. Brush also need some work. Bristles look really good though. See, it's on. Oops. All right. Oh, this doesn't sound very good. Motor might need to replace. Rewinds are really good. That's unfortunate. So this one's I picked this up for $30. Not the worst. Definitely seen worse. So unfortunately, the motor doesn't sound healthy on it. But it does work. And you know, the worst case scenario, I'll give you parts in the vacuum. Okay, that's wet. That's been wet before. So in case this thing is side outside or something like that. Take out that filth. It's unfortunate for $30, but whatever. Let's see what the filter look like. It's like confused on there. It's not bad. Alright, well, here's my latest vacuum. Here's an acquisition of the Hoover Elite Rewind. Thanks for watching.